The best system in the world is only as good as the pump system setup that runs it. Now, we like to tell people we've installed the best possible waterproofing system that money can buy. But what you need to match that system up with is the best possible pump station setup. Our battery backup pumps, which are extremely high volume, the highest volume that you can find, will handle 2,400 gallons of water per hour. And our primary pump is a beast. It's 3/4 horsepower, and we give a 5-year warranty, which is the strongest in the industry. Our pumping system setup contains a state-of-the-art computer and monitoring service. This computer and monitoring service keeps track of the exact condition of your primary sump pump, also your battery backup, and tells you exactly what the charge level is for the battery for the backup pump. The computer runs a self-check on the primary pump, the battery backup, and the battery 3 times a week, and sends a notification to your phone as a text and also to your email. Our system will alert you to the problem before it occurs. It's the missing piece of the puzzle in basement waterproofing.
We're American Dry Basement Systems, and we're just better.